some footage?
I ran out in no man's land, got one person, then traded with another. So that's probably the highlight of that fucking game.
Right there.
What?
Quality content. Right
yeah.
There.
Or just me bitching about how fucking wet my feet are.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
Yeah.
I did not listen to the rules for this game.
2 lives. We've got 2 lives and we've got to push up to their fucking spawn trench.
As far as we can, right?
Yeah, but for the first minute we can't obviously leave this trench. Well, not this trench, but...
Yeah. You should have taken more pyro, man.
Lawrence only gave me 1. I didn't buy when he was buying. Ah, fuck. Fuck is in here?
Your mom. Is it flashing red?
No. No. Okay. It was. No, it is now. It's mine.
Yes.
I wish I'd bought pyros off of Lawrence. That was cool.
Well, next time when he's gonna buy,
Oski, fall back. Oski, back. Back.
Come back.
Come back. Come back.
Where are we going?
We've got a minute. It's fucking stupid heavy.
There's a kid on the right.
Are you hit?
Yeah.
You hit anyone?
I think so, but I think he's invincible or something. Is it open? The team against the same guy as Leland. On the right? Yeah,
Ooh, got him.
Alice, can we go down, yeah?
Yeah.
Going out. Okay, Ross, someone covered it. Igor, you got that covered? Right, go forward. Hurry up, reload. Hurry up, reload. Alright, here's the crawl. Take reload. Guys, it's supposed to be crawling. Crawling?
I got one!
I'm reloading. Ross, wait.
Guys, make sure you're crawling along the side tracks if you're in it.
How are we supposed to crawl?
What do you mean crawling?
I don't know. I don't get it. The idea is you sneak up on them.
We're sneaking up.
Crawl.
Wait. You want me to put my trust on? No. No.
There's one in front, get him at the end. Come on. Come on, we've pushed up. I'm out of ammo. Fuck. I'm getting into cover. Push up! Get your fat ass up here! We've killed all of them near enough.
Are we?
Yeah. I pushed up and I got like fucking 5 or 6 of them.
Oh, okay. Four people.
Ref!
We're here.
4! That was a fucking good push.
That was amazing.
I got like 5 or 6 of them when I came in. Their backs turned. Then one guy with a pistol, his gun wasn't loaded. So he would have got me. It's fucking...
What the fuck he was on about? I have to crawl.
I wasn't throwing.
I think he was meaning we should...
I didn't record. Fuck.
Is mine still recording?
Yeah, your one is. Well, at least you got it.
Yeah, me just insulting Bean. Get your fat ass up here!
What's just defend next then?
Why are you saying like fucking crawl? I'm not.
I think he was
fucking
meaning to
crawling in
sneak
there.
up on them. I think he was meaning to sneak up on them. Can you get your? Can you give me a speed loader?